Hi people, and welcome to part 2 of me showing you RSI, which is Relative Strength Index. I just want to clarify what we were talking about because we had a few problems with the video, and also I had problems with my virtual proxy. It seems to be operational now, which is great, and I just wanted to show you points of when you can get into the market, as you can see here, and obviously points that you can set your trade up, and there's another one here as well. So if I click on here, and you'll see where, if we just line this up, you see where I'm lining this up now, you'll see that this is come out. So this is in the the oversold state. Let me have a look at my notes. This is in the oversold state, which means that this is going to go up, okay? And you can see that where it's come out of the 35, you can see as it's come out, we've placed a buy trade, okay? And you can see that we would have had significant runs of profit in here. Here's another one. So if we look, there's another one here, or in fact there's another one here, okay? We look at this. Click on here like so, and you'll see that where it's just tipped out of the 65 margin, okay, you'll see that there is a candle that's open by the side here, so you could have gone into a trade, because obviously this means it's overbought, which means it's going to come back down, okay? Or you could use this as a point of, if you've already got a trade running, of closing, because you've got to that point before it's going to change direction. You'll see that here we could easily have got 10 to 30 pips in this movement right here. Let's just do another one where it's come out of here, okay? I would be, this point here is where we want to look at the interest of. And you can see this is exactly the same, where it's peaked out of the market, it started to come back down. Of course, if it's coming back down, it means that it's going to go to bear, which means that it's a short. And you can see that if you placed your trade in here, you would have got a significant trade in here as well, which you would have had a good run with. This is with GBP JPY in a 15-minute time window. We can adjust this to a 1 hour time window, and it's going to give you pretty much the same sort of thing, really. And we'll put it back to a 15-minute window. Here's another one here where it peaks here, so let's have a look and see what this looks like. Exactly the same thing, where this is going back up. So we've got to a point where it's in oversold. In oversold means that we're almost hit a bottom, and it's then going to bounce back up, okay? You can see that where we've hit the bottom, it's starting to bounce back up, and you can see that where it's rallying up, you would have got into some great profit margin in there as well. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, which I was struggling to show you when we were last doing the video. So you can see that the RSI works very, very well. If we just click on here, change the indicator, change the period to 28, as I said to you before, and this is just going to slow it down a little bit. And you'll see that even while we've changed this to a 28 now, we're still, what it's done is it's sharpened up these points of interest, okay? So it's shown us that this bit here is a great one to get into, this one here was a great one to get into, and there's another one here as well, actually, just this line here where it's crossed in. This would have been another one to get into, okay, because we've got some great drops here, which means that we would have made some great short trading on that particular setup. So you can see that this system is relatively quite good, and I just wanted to just go over it just to make double sure that you knew what it was I was talking to you about. So the plan of action with this is to set your period to 28, your perimeters to close, your levels to 50 and 50, and then hit OK. And then just to finish it off, what you do is that you bring in a 35 line and you bring in a 65 line, and you work by these two lines. So you're not working on normal standard 70, 14, 70 and 30. Okay, you're working on 28, which works quite well, okay, because the 28 just slows it all down a little bit, just gives you time to catch your breath, and gives you time to be able to get into the market and out of the market. And you can see that where I've put these lines in, these would have made substantial profits with inside your actual prop firm, if you were running on a prop firm, or if you were running this on a Darwin account. If you want to top your Darwin account out, you can do this. It's going to give you a really great head start on how to set that up. Now I do have a module that's coming out, module 57, which is going to be in Darren's Trading Academy, where I've got loads and loads of RSI indicators, expert advisors, templates, which are all going to be included with inside the module. There's actually 57 bots that are inside Darren's Trading Academy, so if you want to get your hands onto that, I would urge you to jump into that, because it's going to be going up very, very shortly to 497. It needs to, and then it's going to go to 697 probably in April, and then it will stick to and remain to its price, which will be 997, when we've got over 100 bots that have all been tried and tested, ready for you to use and profit using specialized systems that I have built inside my Trading Academy. So hopefully it gives you a little bit of an idea of what I've been doing. I just wanted to show you that. All the very best until my next video. Thank you.